So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you want to accept payments online on your WordPress website, here's how to add a payment gateway using anything. Firstly, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins. Add a new plugin, then search for WooCommerce. Click Install Now, then Activate. Complete the WooCommerce setup, then go to WooCommerce, Settings, then Payments. Select the payment gateway you want to use, such as Stripe, PayPal, or another supported provider, and install and activate the gateway's official WooCommerce plugin if required. Open its settings and connect your payment account or the required credentials. Now make sure the payment method is enabled, then save your settings. Place the test order on your website to make sure the payment method works correctly. And that's it. Your WordPress website is now set up and set to accept payments through your chosen WooCommerce payment gateway. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.